All right, today I am reviewing the Doomsday Discs Flat Earth. This was their first mid-range, I think, that they came out with. This is also kind of in the same slot as the AGL Magnolia. It's kind of their workhorse mid-range. I think this one is supposed to be a little bit flippier right out of the box, especially in this headwind. But the plastic feels great. This is in their premium blend, the same as the other two Doomsday Discs I'm reviewing. Also with mid-ranges, I don't really like to forehand mid-ranges, so I probably won't forehand this one. But we'll throw it out on some backhands and see how it flies. It's got a little micro bead as well, which weirdly, I don't like beads on discs generally, but for some reason with mid-ranges I do. I think the rock kind of made me that way. But yeah, we'll throw this one out there into this headwind and see how it flies. All right, first shot with the flat earth here. I really don't know what to expect from this one, so I think I'm gonna power grip the first one. Just for now, we'll fan grip it. I'm gonna fan grip the first one. We'll give it some height and just kind of see what happens. It's a nice mid-range flight. Even with the headwind, it kind of held straight, and then you just got that kind of pushing fade at the end. Second shot with the flat earth, got a pretty good flight out of it last time, so this time I'm going to try to put it on a little bit of anhyzer and see if it fights out of it. Definitely fought out of it. That was a very marginal amount of anhyzer, but typically with those mid-ranges, a lot of times you'll see them just hold it going left. I'm sure it could beat in a little bit more and kind of give you that effect, but so far it's got a decent amount of fade to it. All right, we're gonna power grip the flat earth, see how it handles that, a little bit more torque on it. A little bit of anhyzer, but I think it's gonna hold it. Yeah. It's a good mid-range. All right, final thoughts on the Doomsday Discs Flat Earth. This is definitely their workhorse mid-range, and I really like the way it flew. I don't think I love the feel of it quite as much as some of the other mid-ranges I've thrown, and so I don't think this one will go in the bag just because of that. But my tastes aren't everyone's. And I don't have a rangefinder, but based on my guesstimate on where I've seen this land in the past in rangefinder, I would guess that this one went at least 330, 340 as far as any other mid-ranges I've thrown. Reliable fade at the end, super straight. Definitely go check one out. If you go to doomsdaydiscs.com, you use my code there, which is mr.southpaw. It'll be down in the description. You can save 10% and help support me out on the course. Thanks for watching.